If you want to know everything about complex numbers, continue watching and I'll show you how. Hi, my name is Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring, and in today's lesson we'll be talking about addition and subtraction of complex numbers. So let's add two complex numbers together, all right? So if we have, remember, complex numbers are in the form a plus bi, all right? So if we want to add two complex numbers, let's say 2 plus 7i, let's add it to 3 plus 2i, all right? It's very easy. So what you do is you add the real parts together, 2 and 3 are the real parts here, right? Then you also add the imaginary parts together, 7i plus 2i. So this becomes 5, and 7i plus 2i is what? 9i. You're right. You solve, you add or subtract imagine the imaginary part the way you add in algebra or subtract in algebra. If you add 7x plus 2x, it will be 9x, right? So 7i plus 2i will be 9i. So the answer to this question is what? 5 plus 9i. All right. Now let's assume we're to subtract the same thing. All right. So let's do 2. Now remember, this is addition, right? 2 plus 7i. Then subtract 3 plus 2i. The same idea. Subtract the real parts to get the real parts. 2 minus 3i. You see. Then 7i minus 2i. All right. So the answer to that is negative 1 plus 5i. All right, so that's how you add complex numbers or subtract complex numbers. You take out the real part. Remember, the form of a complex number is a plus bi, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part because it contains the imaginary unit I. All right, so when you are adding or subtracting, whether you are doing any of those operations, you just take out the real part, add them. You take out the imaginary part, add them. All right, it's just like grouping like terms together in algebra, the same idea. All right, if you found value from this video, make sure you subscribe. And if you've not watched the part 1 of complex numbers, check the link in the description and you'll be able to watch day 1. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on your notifications, and also share with your friends. And I'll see you in part 3. Thank you.